In this scenario, we will set up an authentication profile using Access Orchestration. From the Admin portal, navigate to Core Services, Access Orchestrator, and click Add. Click Authentication and click OK. Enter the name for your authentication request and click the plus icon next to it. Click Challenge 1. Choose at least one option from the list and click OK. Click the plus icon next to Challenge 1 and click Logic. Click the option you have selected and click OK. Set if and else conditions for Challenge 1. Click the plus icon next to the if statement and repeat the same procedure for Challenge 2. Choose at least one option from the list and click OK. You can continue adding if and else statements as needed. The limit is 10. Click the plus icon next to the else statement and repeat the same procedure for Challenge 2. Choose at least one option from the list and click OK. Click Save. To apply the Access Orchestration to users, navigate to Core Services and click Policies. Click Add Policy Set. Enter a name for your policy and click Save. Click on Authentication Policies. Click CyberArk Identity. Change the Enable Authentication Policy controls to Yes. Click the Default Profile drop-down and choose the name of the Access Orchestration that we just created and click Save. For more information, check out our online resources.